Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Looker Studio and create shareable UI reports, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Looker Studio website. You can search for Looker Studio in your search engine or enter the URL directly. Once on the Looker Studio homepage, look for the Get Started button and click it. If you already have a Google account, sign in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After logging in, you will be directed to the Looker Studio dashboard. To create a new report, locate the blank report option on the dashboard. Click on the blank report button to start a new project. You will be prompted to choose a data source. Select Create New Data Source or choose from the available options. If selecting a new data source, follow the prompts to connect it to your preferred data. Once your data source is connected, you will be taken back to the report editor. Here, you can start customizing your report. Use the toolbar on the right side to add charts, tables, and visualizations. To add a chart, click on the chart dropdown in the toolbar. Choose the type of chart you want to display your data. After selecting the chart type, click and drag in the report area to create the chart. You can customize the chart by adjusting the settings in the right panel. Next, you can add text elements, images, and other components as needed. To do this, use the text and image tools found in the toolbar. Once you are satisfied with the layout and design of your report, it's time to share it. Click on the Share button located at the top right corner of the screen. Choose the sharing options that best meet your needs. You can share a link, email the report, or invite others via their email addresses. Make sure to set permissions according to how you want others to interact with the report. After adjusting the settings, click Send or copy link as appropriate. Congratulations! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.